Stop by and take a look at the 2020 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, heated front seats, security system, capless fuel filler system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.